Signa. Ya baba. Wala wala bangwa. Kai. Fuba. I want to see you, my father.
In 2007, we celebrated Triple Jubilee, the European Union 50th anniversary, Ghana's 50th anniversary of independence, and also 50 years of development policy.
I want to see you, my father.
Africa sees Europe as the one entity with the longest and perhaps closest association with Africa through history, through geography, and now to a large extent culture. Africa has a lot to share with Europe.
We have historical ties, we have historical links, and this is very important. We have also common problems to manage.
Let me make here a reference to the founding fathers of Ghana from the European Union. The dream of Nkrumah was not only the independence of Ghana that he achieved, but it was the unity of Africa. The unity, of course, in the respect of the different situations of diversity. This was also the dream of the founding fathers of the European Union, from Robert Schuman to Jean Monnet to Konrad Adenauer and so many.
The European Commission is present in Ghana since 1976.
Are you ready, Ghana?
Oh, Ghana is, as you know, Ghana is a very nice place. As far as I don't know wherever. I've never been outside the country to see how other places look like. But as far as I'm concerned, I feel Ghana is a place for me and I like the place.
Ghana, the beloved country, is free forever.
Sing happy birthday, mama, and their birthday.
There has been in Ghana a series of 6 micro-project programs. Through this micro-project, we have built 3,000 schools, 1,500 clinics, a lot of water supply projects, many kilometers of feeder roads rehabilitated, and revenue generation projects.
We are on the rural construction, wide roads, double roads, and single roads sometimes. Oh, life is cool in town. It's just like Accra.
Gateway to Africa, oh mama, yeah.
We are living in Ghana here. There's no problem here. We are doing cane chairs all around to introduce it up to the world.
And I'm sure that within the next few years, our problem of the economy will be no more.
We provide a certain level of resources, which is quite substantial, directly to the budget of the government of Ghana, because we, together with all the partners, discuss with the government of Ghana what are the priorities of their development plans. These priorities, in principle, are well reflected in their budgets, so we support their budgets.
Man is a proud Ghanaian and a staunch and solid one for that matter.
Welcome to Ghana. I hear so where we did. This be how we live up every day. This be Ghana.
Ghana appreciates the relationship we enjoy with the European Union. The Union has been supportive and a good partner of Ghana's in all aspects of government.
And Ghana's continued to grow. It has a stable government. It is growing economically. It may be the greatest state of repatriation. And now the African Union is going to another dimension here in Ghana. So this is a huge place.
We want Africa to be united, and it's act the same as the UN, AU or EU.
Yeah.
You know, have AU as EU.
Yeah.
The Europeans are united. We want Africa to be united.
African leaders wise up and have Africa at heart. You know that if all of you come together and have one mouthpiece, you know, one president for Africa.
I'm not here just as President of Ghana alone. I am here as the chair of the African Union. This should send a message to you that both sides are accepting that perhaps it will be easier and more profitable to operate as groupings. Africa would be perhaps the biggest market when we eventually realize some sort of union on the continent. And if we are talking economy or economics, I'm sure any investor interested in using the market would want to see Africa united.
The 50th anniversary of the independence of Ghana is coinciding with an historic year for us in the ACP, of which Ghana is a part, of course. This is the year where we are hoping we will bring to good resolution the new economic partnership agreements across the 6 regions of the ACP.
Critical importance of these few weeks and months for the future of ACP countries and specifically for the future of some of the African regions, West Africa, for example, in the sense that a new generation of agreements under this economic partnership agreement that they are negotiated at the moment is going to start being implemented very soon, with impact on agriculture, on industrial sectors, on services, and so on.
Going forward, I believe that we are looking for new ways to deepen this cooperation within the context of the EPAs and within the context of, for example, of how the private sector in both regions engage with each other.
Ghana is a model in Africa. They have presented a very strong program for improving governance. Due to the pertinence, the credibility and the ambition of that program, we have decided to allocate 30% additional funds more than the basic envelope they have. So that means 85 million euro more for Ghana.
Africa is not just asking for aid. Africa is asking for partnerships more. The aid is necessary as a transitional arrangement. So Africa will build the necessary muscle and capacity for moving forward. What Africa needs more is the partnership, the investments that would add value to the raw materials so that Africa would benefit with partners on a win-win basis.
President Kufuor.
Thank you, President Barroso.